What is this plane really built to do?
It's built to do just aerobatics. We're going to do a little bit of that here shortly.
John, how long have you been flying?
I've been flying for about 23 years. Man, is it cool. All right, how'd you like that?
Wow, that was pretty insane.
Look off to the right.
How long?
I don't know how long you want to stay here.
So what are some of the things they're going to see this weekend?
We're going to see snap rolls, hammerhead turnarounds. Going to be pretty exciting.
What's going through your mind right now when you're doing these type of maneuvers?
Well, I just concentrate to make sure we deconflict with that other airplane out there, for one. Make sure we keep you good and safe, for two. You're my guest today. And just fly as precisely and correctly as possible. We're going to do a hammerhead now, okay?
All right.
All straight up. How you feeling? You doing okay?
Yeah, I feel all right.
Getting a good workout, I tell you that much.
Wow. Unbelievable.
How are you feeling?
It's really a feeling kind of your stomach's all over the place. You're feeling like you're on a roller coaster, but 10 times more intense.